In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share post in Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through creating a new post for Facebook and Instagram at the same time, and then I'll show you how to reshare something you've already published to give it a second boost. Keep your browser ready and follow along. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta or Facebook business link so you're accessing the real dashboard. Once you're in, log in using the Facebook or Instagram account that manages your business assets. If you work on multiple pages, make sure the correct business is selected so your content goes to the right place. Inside the dashboard, find the Content area in the left-hand menu. This is your hub for everything you've drafted, scheduled, and published. From here, click the blue Create Post button to open the Composer. You'll see a section called Post To. Check the boxes for your Facebook page and your Instagram account so the same post goes to both feeds at once. If one of your channels isn't listed, it usually means it isn't connected to the business or you don't have the right permissions, so double-check that later. Now upload your media, images, or videos and write your caption. Keep your message concise, front-load the key information, and consider adding relevant hashtags for Instagram to increase discoverability. Make sure your visuals are clear and sized appropriately so they look great on both platforms. If you're sharing a link, remember that Instagram feed posts don't support clickable links in captions, so prioritize clear calls to action on Facebook or use link tools elsewhere on Instagram. When everything looks good in the preview, decide whether to post now or plan ahead. Click Share to publish immediately, or choose Schedule to pick a future date and time. Scheduling can help you reach your audience when they're most active without needing to be online. If you want to reshare a post you've already published to give it more visibility, head back to the Content tab in the left menu. In the Published list, find the post you want to amplify. Click the three dots next to it to open more options. Choose Reshare to Story. A pop-up will appear with a preview of how the story will look. From there, click Add to Story to send it out. This puts your existing post into your story for extra reach and a timely reminder while keeping the original post linked for anyone who wants to tap through. Remember, stories are temporary, so this is great for quick boosts and limited time highlights. That's it. Simple, consistent, and efficient.